So BlueWave Ultrasonics manufactures heavy-duty ultrasonic cleaning systems specifically for the mold and tooling industry. We manufacture very heavy-duty equipment that can stand the longer cycle times, operating temperatures, and chemistries that are required to properly clean a tool. We make what's called a magnetostrictive transducer, which is made of pure nickel, whereas most manufacturers make a piezoelectric transducer, which is made of a ceramic disc. The benefit of our technology is that it really does not break down over time and lasts for decades. This type is okay for cheap applications that don't require where you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you don't need something that's heavy duty. You'd find this on your jewelry cleaners, etc., that you'd buy from McMaster or Grainger. So the purpose of either of these transducers is to create an ultrasonic pressure wave in the solution. And we do that, we have these transducers that are on the bottom of the tank or the side of the tank, and we vibrate that transducer at an ultrasonic frequency. That creates pressure waves in the tank, and I can show you those pressure waves. When I turn the system on, I have glass balls in a glass jar. And when we'll shut it off first, and if I put these in here, you'll see the balls are just resting. And when I turn the ultrasonics on, you'll see those balls just dance. And the reason that is because the pressure waves are coming off of that diaphragm, going through the solution, pinging on that glass and causing the balls to bounce. But it's not the pressure waves that actually clean the parts that we're putting in there. It's a cavitation process that's set up by the pressure waves. And the cavitation process is millions of microscopic imploding bubbles that at any instant in time are collapsing and have a tremendous amount of energy. And the only way for me to show you that is to really clean something. So if I take a ceramic disc and I coat it with pencil lead, if I then put that in the tank and I agitate it back and forth, you'll see that it's not magic. Nothing really comes off of the ceramic. When I turn the ultrasonics on, you'll see it blast off of there. And that's those microscopic cavitation bubbles that are cleaning and blasting off the contaminant from the substrate. Great thing about it is that there's no degradation to the metal. It's not strong enough to damage the tooling, so there's no abrasives. You're not rolling edges. You're not wearing away the tool, and it saves a tremendous amount of time. The cavitation process is able to transmit through the metal and into water lines and into intricate details that normally any human could not get in and clean. So that's what BlueWave Ultrasonics is all about.